Have you ever wondered why ankle strap heels never go out of style? What makes celebrities, fashion influencers, brides, and designers choose them year after year? The answer is simple. They combine elegance, comfort, and versatility like no other heels. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you are passionate about beautiful heels and the latest fashion trend, you are to the right place. In today's video, we are diving into the stylish world of ankle strappies. We will explore the different types, latest 2026 trends, the best colors and materials, how to style them for every occasion, how to choose the perfect pair, comfort tips, common mistakes to avoid, and much more. Whether you are planning to buy your first pair or looking to expand your collection, this video will help you find the perfect ankle strap heels for your style. So make sure you watch until the end because I'll also share expert styling tips that can instantly elevate your look. Now, without a further delay, let's begin. What are ankle strap heels? Ankle strap heels are heels that feature a strap wrapping around the ankle. The strap usually fastens with buckle, clasp, or adjustable closure, providing extra support while adding a stylish touch. Unlike pumps, ankle straps heels keep your feet secure, making them easier to walk in for many people. They are available in countless designs, making them suitable for women of all ages and fashion preferences. Why are ankle strap heels so popular? There are many reasons fashion lovers adore ankle strap heels. First, they offer excellent support compared to many other heels. Second, they instantly make any outfit look more polished and elegant. Third, they are available in endless colors, materials, heel heights and designs. Finally, they transition beautifully from day to night, making them one of the most practical heels you can own. Different types of ankle strap heels. Let's explore some of the most popular styles. Classic ankle strap pumps. These feature a sleek closed toy with a slim ankle strap, perfected for office wear, business meetings, formal dinners, graduation ceremonies. Open toy ankle strap is a favorite during spring and summer. These look stunning with maxi dresses, floral outfits, beach parties, vacation wear, block heel ankle strap. Block heels combine elegance with comfort. They're ideal for long events, weddings, shopping trips, everyday wear. Stiletto ankle strap heels. For those who love glamorous, stilettos create a sophisticated feminine look that's perfect for every evening events. Platform ankle strap heels. Platform reduce pressure on the feet while adding height, making them easier to wear than many high stilettos. Best materials. Ankle strap heels come in many beautiful materials. Leather remains a timeless favorite thanks to its durability and premium appearance. Suede offers a soft, luxurious texture that ideal for autumn and winter. Patent leather creates a glossy finish perfect for parties. Satin designs are especially popular for bridal shoes. Transparent PVC styles are trendy and create a modern fashion statement. Choosing the right heel height. Not every occasion requires extremely high heels. Low heels are perfect for daily wear. Medium heels offer an ideal balance between comfort and elegance. High heels create a dramatic look for special occasions. Choose a height that matches both your confidence and the event. Best color for every wardrobe. Some colors never go out of style. Black remains the ultimate classic. Nude shade create the illusion of longer legs. White heels are perfect for weddings and summer outfits. Metallic gold and glamorous glamour to evening wear. Pastel shades provide a soft, feminine appearance. Bright colors like red, emerald green, and royal blue can become the centerpiece of your outfit. Styling tips. Ankle strap heels pair beautifully with many outfits. Wear black ankle strap heels with a little black dresses for timeless elegance. Pair nude heels with jeans and a white blouse for a chic casual look. Gold heels complement traditional weddings attire beautifully. Wide ankle strap heels look stunning with floral dressing during summer. For office wear, pair leather ankle strap pumps with tailored trousers or fancy skirt. Remember, matching your handbag or accessory with your shoe creates a polished overall look. Comfort tips. Even beautiful shoes should feel comfortable. Choose the correct size. Use cushioned insole if you will be standing for long periods. Adjust the ankle strap so it's secure but not too tight. Practice walking indoors Taking care of your feet helps you enjoy your heels much longer. Common mistakes to avoid. Many people buy beautiful heels but overlook comfort and fit. Here are a few common mistakes. Buying shoes that are too small. Wearing very high heels for long events without practice. Choosing the wrong heel height for the occasion. Ignoring the quality of the ankle strap. Wearing worn heels that no longer provide proper support. Investing in well made shoes often means they last longer and feel much better. Why every wardrobe needs ankle strap is. If you only invest in a few pairs of heels, ankle strap heels deserve a place in your collection. They offer timeless elegance, better stability than many other heels, versatility for both casual and formal outfits. Ankle strap heels continue to be one of the most fashionable footwear choices year after year. Their combination of beauty, comfort, and versatility makes them a must-have for every fashionable. As trends involve, ankle strap heels remain timeless because they effortlessly complement every season and almost every outfit. If you are looking for a shoe that combines elegance with practically ankle strap is. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.